Alright guys, we got the high dollar stuff. I always use the 100% strength. And this is just regular old antifreeze. This stuff's like a yellow color from O'Reilly's. I'm used to like the Mountain Dew color stuff, but this stuff works just as well. But I just want to put this on the video so y'all see. Yes, I'm actually putting antifreeze in this thing this time. I'm not gonna deal with another plug coming loose. That's a pain in the butt. But I always put full strength in it, full gallon, and then fill the rest up with water. It seems to work the best. So, might be just about right filled up, but I'm gonna get more water in this and then start up, let it warm up, top it off.